Hey everyone, Riley here from Growing in the North. Today we're going to be taking a look at the JCBritw 30 watt plus grow light. They sent it to me to do some tests on. I'm going to be growing some lettuce later. For now I'm going to be doing the unboxing. I'm going to show you the weight, temperature, and the draw wattage. There's a couple of cool features about this light. You're going to have to watch the video to find them out. See you out there.
Alright, here we go. Nice and packed with that awesome air. Here's our light. Feels like a solid product. Here we go. Nice to see. Double layer of foam in there. Got our manuals. Have to go through those later. Power cord, hanging cables, good to see. All right, here we go. So you can actually see the individual LEDs in there. So they actually use the two separate LEDs on in each pocket. One for veg stage and one for flowering stage. It's really nice to see actually such a small unit that actually has two different uses. Otherwise you'd have to end up buying one light for one use, one light for the other use. This is definitely nice to see. Also, power socket. Another cool feature. Just get that out of the way. This daisy chain plug. It looks a little bit weird. It's the standard plugs for that kind of a thing. I don't know why. I don't know if it's Chinese plug, but it's a standard daisy chain plug. Anyway, yeah, that's nice to see. So you can, if you buy 6 or 7, you can link them all up in a row. I'm gonna get it plugged in here in a sec and see what it draws for power. Just gonna point it that way so that it doesn't blind everybody. All right, so that's the flowering stage. It's definitely a bright light. I'm drawing 16.2 watts. Here, let's take a peek at that. See that there? 16.2, 16.3. I kind of expect that to drop a little bit once the circuit warms up and electricity just gets a little more inefficient. There's our veg lights. So they consume a little more power, eh? 18.1 watts. So definitely if a guy had a small setup, this would be a really nice light for it. You wouldn't have to worry about it drawing too much. This light running all month for me would probably cost around that $2 mark. I pay about 14 cents per kilowatt hour. Yeah, that's her, guys. You know, for the price, it's definitely worthwhile little unit. Check it out. All right, let's see what this thing weighs. Got 1 pound, 7 ounces. Or 648 grams, so 0.6 of a kg. A little over a pound. It's not bad. It's still very light. 60-degree secondary optics. Gives you a nice narrow path. Okay, so we're just going to check the temperature of this JCBritw LED grow light here quick. Got mine. So it says 91.1 Fahrenheit. That's warm enough. 32.5 degrees Celsius. Yeah, a little warmer than lukewarm. We'll call it that. Here's the setup though. So this is set on for 13 hours a day. We'll see how they do.
And we're back. Let me know what you guys think. Give it the thumbs up, subscribe. Definitely interested to see what this light can do. It's a little bit small for a grow light, but it's an LED. We're gonna give her a whirl. Like I said, we're gonna grow some butter crunch lettuce in a hydroponic setup. I'm gonna get that set up, and we'll see what she can do. If you have any questions or comments for me, send them down. I'll do my best to answer what I can. If you're interested in purchasing this exact same light, just go to the bottom there. There's a link. I'm definitely interested to see what the dual mode will actually do for growth versus the flowering stage. We're gonna be putting that to test. So this is that JCBritw light. And this is how big those are. And this is basically where the experiment starts. So we'll let these grow, see how they do. And probably another week I'm going to transfer them into these big tubs. And that way we can leave it untouched. We'll see how she does.